Schools Division Superintendent, Mrs. Florence E. Almaden, to our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Brian L. Arreo, to our Public Schools District Supervisor, Mr. Zacarias O. Saison, to our Loreto District Monitoring Supervisor, Mr. John L. Espina Jr., to our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Do Andre Bill A. Ladaga, to our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Richard C. Tan, to our guest speaker, Engineer Rio Zaldi M. Merano, to our school head, Ma'am Luwalhati B. Kupana, municipal officials, barangay officials, honored guests, teachers, fellow students, dear parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to the 7th graduation rite of Loreto National High School, a stand-alone senior high school, a celebration of our achievements and a testament to the hard work, dedication, and perseverance that has brought us to this moment. Today, we are gathered not just to commemorate the end of an era, but to embrace the beginning of a new journey. Today, we are reminded of the beauty and significance of each passing moment. Our lives are composed of countless experiences, each one adding to the mosaic of our memories. As we journey through our days, it's important to recognize that every moment holds the potential to become a cherished memory, which constantly reminded me of the saying, every moment is a memory in the making. And that will be the title of my message today. As we gather today in the warmth of gratitude and reflection, let us embark on a journey through the corridors of memory, where every step, every heartbeat, every shared laughter or silent tear, remembering every moment that shaped our high school experience. For me, it all started in my first year of senior high, a time of new beginnings. I came as a transfer student, feeling lost in a sea of strangers. With just one close friend from the same junior high, I wandered the halls feeling uncertain about what the future held. Yet, as fate would have it, the seeds of friendship were soon planted, and from the fertile soil of uncertainty, blooms of camaraderie began to emerge. It was through the simple act of reaching out, of extending a hand in friendship, that I began to forge connections with my classmates. And so, from the solitary shores of my own apprehension, I found myself surrounded by a chorus of friendship, a symphony of voices that lifted me up, carried me forward, and enveloped me in a sense of belonging. I want to take a moment to say thank you to our amazing teachers who have enlightened our minds and opened our hearts to the wonders of knowledge. Thank you for your hard work, dedication, and wisdom, and most of all, inyong taas na pasensya. Na maskin mahurot na ang tingog ni teacher sa sigig sagda, padayon gihapon sa pagkabuutan o pagkamasinaptanon. One thing I like most of all sa ato mga teachers, kay moapurag jud sila kung naamni kuwang. Kuwang activities, kuwang test, hindi jud sila ingon nga pasagda na ang students nga dili mag-comply. Kung naagay kuwang hadagan ka og chance maghimo kay dako man na og bira sa grado. Hadagan ka og chances nga mag-comply bisan magpasa ka lagpas na sa deadliest deadline kay buhay estudyante deserve pa man maghimo kung ting deadline a lot because it wouldn't be the same in college. So, thank you for your kindness, dear teachers. Thank you for your unwavering support. You have guided us through the paths of learning, encouraging us to take steps and explore new horizons. Your mentorship has been instrumental in helping us grow and achieve our dreams. You have not only taught us knowledge, but have also imparted life lessons that will stay with us forever. Your passion for teaching has inspired us to strive for excellence. Each lesson, each piece of advice, and each word of encouragement has prepared us for the future. Your commitment to our success has been a cornerstone of our education, and for that, we are deeply grateful. Sa atong mga ginikanan, daghang salamat sa inyong way puas na pag-igugma o pag-atiman. Dili mabayran ang inyong mga sakripisyo o panikamot. Ara lang mahatagan niyo maadyo makauma. Niabot ni ani nga adlaw tungod sa inyong pagpanikamot. Sa bisan kung sa pagkalisod sa panahon, nagpadayon gihapon mo para lamang makaprovide sa amin. Dili na mo makabuot ang among mga panganuloy o wala. So, kini nga kalampusan, kadaugan. Dili na di para sa amo, pero para po si Diyos. Kini nga conversation, usa ka pagpasalamat kaninyo, usa ka pagpamatuod nga ang inyong pagpanikamot, pag-igugma, wala dyan masayang. So, sa danan ng mga daghang salamat. Kalinang kalampusan, inyo sa mga kalampusan. At sa mga and to my fellow classmates who have shared in the laughter, the tears, the triumphs, and the defeats, I offer a deepest appreciation. You have been my companions, my confidence, and together we have navigated the twists and turns of high school life. Together, we have emerged stronger, wiser, and ready to face the challenges that lie ahead. Most of all, I would like to thank God for all the knowledge and wisdom He has given us. His guidance and support have been our constant companions, helping us navigate through challenges and inspiring us to reach for our dreams. We are truly blessed and grateful for His presence in our life. To my dearest friends, you have been the best part of my life. You have been the pillars of support, my cornerstone, the laughter in the midst of challenges, and my companions on this remarkable journey. I know each and every one of us will take our own paths, meet and make new friends. But no matter how many friends I'll make in college, wala siya makapantay sa inyo. Kauban na ako sa tanan kalipay, kasakit, ups and downs, o kiat. Together, we have crafted memories that will forever be etched in my life. And to my fellow graduates, I know that amidst the excitement of this moment, naatay kabalaka, naatay worries deep inside. Usa na kay mahitabo na ako pagka-college. Makaya ba na ako ang college life? Having these concerns are normal, but know that you are not alone. We face challenges before and overcome them together. What lies behind us and what lies before us are small matters compared to what lies within us. We have the strength, resilience, and potential to overcome any challenge. Let's believe in ourselves as we step into this new chapter of our lives. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Every great endeavor, every achievement begins with a single act of courage. The best dreams happen when you are awake. Sa Bisaya pa, ang labing kaayo ng mga danggo, mahitabo kung magmata ka. Pasabot nga, para matuman ang atong mga danggo o mga pangandoy sa atong kinabuhi, dapat active ta. Active ta nga ato itrabaho o makapot nato sa tinuod nga kinabuhi. Dili ra sa atong una-una sa atong pagkatulog. So, it's about making your dreams come true through hard work and determination. As we stand on the threshold of a new beginning, let us embark on this journey with courage, resilience, and a sense of wonder. Let us remember that every moment is indeed a memory in the making, a chance to write a new chapter, to forge new connections, and to leave our mark on the world. After all these heartfelt messages, we should recognize that this moment is still a memory in the making. Therefore, let us cherish it, embrace it, and continue to create beautiful memories as we move forward into the future. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my thoughts and gratitude. Now, I would like to close with some words a wise man once said. Should the day ever come that we are not together, you will continue to shine like gold in my memories. No matter what struggles we face, I certainly will never forget you all. And I can only hope that I too will continue to shine like gold in your memories as well. Wherever you all go next, I wish you the best of luck. Thank you and congratulations.